How would you rate our company's performance on helping you achieve your goals so far? What are some key recommendations for our performance improvement? What KPIs or success metrics are you most focused on hitting? What do you need from a partner to help achieve these goals? What internal challenges might get in the way of reaching your objectives? What would a successful year look like for you personally? What goals are you working towards in your role that we could help support? As you can see, all of these suggestions are to partner with your customer. What pain points impact you day to day that we might be able to help you with? If you had a wish list for how we could make your job easier, what would be on it?
Very well put, Jimmy. When asking a customer about competitor products you might replace, it's important to strike the right tone. Curious, not confrontational. Supportive, not salesy and pushy. Be consultative. Your goal is to identify opportunities while positioning yourself as a partner who could solve problems better. Here's our advice on ways to approach your key customer on competitive solution replacement questioning. And looking for ways to bring more value to you, please help me understand where you might not be fully satisfied with existing vendors. What areas aren't current vendors quite meeting expectations on service, quality, lead time, or support? Always use the word vendor to describe your competitor, not supplier, and certainly not partner. You are not a vendor. You are a key partner. If there's one product or service you wished worked better, or one vendor that caused a few headaches, what would it be? What product lines or categories would you consider a new option if the value or support were stronger? How do you currently evaluate vendors overall? Because this is a collaborative effort focused on shared goals and outcomes, use inclusive language such as we instead of I or us instead of me. Also, since you've approached your key customers as a trusted advisor, strongly suggest using the word solution rather than product.
Boy, that's some great advice and ideas on how to partner with your customer. You will reap huge benefits from making this a sales habit. So until we see you next time, sell on.